It's amazing what you can see if you just get outside in one day. This Phoebe started things out by serenading us with a lovely tune. Some morning dew on this caterpillar. This great blue heron locks on to something. A kestrel looks on at the shenanigans. Another great blue heron, needing some water maybe? Okay. Ah, I see. Maybe you should not be eating your feathers. The party animals getting a late start this morning. Quick, eastern bluebird, dang. Nature's Christmas ornament. A flycatcher looking for breakfast. The red-shouldered hawk on patrol duty. This blue-gray gnatcatcher, they're usually too quick, but this one didn't seem to mind the paparazzi. A caracara looks puzzled. A tufted titmouse. Whoops, I've been spotted. The chickpea gang up to no good. Phoebe looking on at the hooligans. This sulfur butterfly is trying to figure out what the heck that is. Maybe a cloaked warty leaf beetle? This green lynx spider makes sure its doma is secure. Later that day, the rain came. This egret hitches a ride, while the gray ghost tries to find some balance. Let's shake it off. The sandhill cranes doing their thing. But wait, what's this? Oh yes, the short-eared owl, also known as Shorty. No, I think those are out of your reach. Sophia glides in looking for dinner. Looks like she may have found something. Oh wait, what's this? A snack? Hope? Maybe? No. Better luck next time. Simon looks to show Sophia how it's done. Hey, what's that? When did Simone get here? Simone looking on to find something as well. Edna looks on to make sure everyone moves out by nightfall. This white-tailed hawk closes the day, relaxed. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.